One of the biggest challenge a digital entrepreneur has is to make money from his assets. So for example, if you have a new website, if you have a new blog, it's a big challenge to monetize that blog and turn it into a profitable business. So in this video, let's understand 5 different ways you can monetize your website and start making money from it. In fact, there are 91% of the websites in the whole world which do not really make money. They are just on either survival mode or they are losing money. Okay, so in this video you will be learning 5 different ways you can monetize your website and start making money from it. My name is Himanshu Best from withhimanshu.com, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that. Press the bell icon so that you can get notified every single time when I put a new video. And if you are in any type of internet business, this channel is amazing. This channel will help you a lot. So let's get this started. So first thing is this: you make money when you give something in exchange of it. That means you will the money you will be making will come from other people, right? So for example, if you can provide a service, some kind of service. So for example, you are good at singing, you are good at designing, you are good at writing, you are good at photography. You can sell your services, and in exchange of it you will be making money through that website. So you can create a service page on your website where you can offer what kind of services you are offering to people and how much they should be paying you. A bonus tip is, have a call to action button without showing up them the price, so that you can first contact them and then you can negotiate on price, so that people can get really so you can actually offer them, right? So that you can show them the advantage of working with you before you show them the price. The next idea is to sell a physical product. So selling a physical product is another amazing way to monetize your website. For example, you can sell your own product. If you create a soap, if you can create a handloom product, if you can create a physical book, or you can sell second hand products. So there are a lot of people who buy second hand products, or they buy something from different marketplaces. For example, you can buy from Amazon, you can buy from AliExpress, and you can sell that through your website, and that business model is called drop shipping. The next idea is to sell your digital product. Digital products has a clear advantage over physical products. You do not have to ship them manually, you do not have to track any order, and uh, you can quickly you can the products the digital products can quickly reach to the people, right? So for example, if you are selling a software, okay, or if you have created an online course, or if you are selling a kind of consultancy, that is a type of digital product. So you can create an application and you can ask for money, maybe on monthly basis, or maybe on annual basis, and you can charge the subscription fees from your users. So this is another way. The next idea is to uh, start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a beautiful business where you do not have to create any product, but only you have to sell someone else's product. So you have to promote someone else's product, and if somebody comes to your website, clicks on the link the vendor has given you, okay, so there is a way. So vendor, you will register on vendor, and they will give you a specific link. So people will come to your website, they will click on your link, and they will go to the vendor's website, and when they buy something from the vendor, you will be making commission on it. And there are amazing people who are making over million through affiliate marketing. If you are really interested to learn this particular business model where you do not have to create any product, make sure to check out my description and register for my free training. Now the next idea is to contact websites like Google AdSense, where advertisers register to show their ads. And Google AdSense, the websites like Google AdSense, media.net, they will offer you the opportunity to show advertisement on your website. So when you will put a piece of code, they will provide you a piece of code. When you will put that on your website, their advertisement will start showing up on your blogs, on your pages. And once that happens, you will be making money for the people who will be visiting the web, visiting those ads. They will be watching those ads. If somebody clicks on those ads, so that is called pay per click strategy. So pay per click is a beautiful strategy where you can make money without creating a product. So we discussed 5 different ways to monetize your website, right? So first is offering your service. Second is to offer your physical product. Third is to offer digital product. Fourth is through affiliate marketing. And fifth is what? The fifth is contextual advertising. That means uh, people are contacting websites like Google AdSense and showing their ads. Okay, so let me know in the comment box if you like this video. What is your best strategy? If you have a website, what is the strategy you use to monetize your channels, monetize your passion? And if you have not registered for my free training, where I teach how to generate more money through your websites, how to build your website business, make sure to check out my description and register for it. I'll see you soon. Bye.